I drink a lot of hot water, and there are some vocal exercises which help me in warming up my voice. Rest is very important for your voice. So whenever I'm traveling a lot, I make sure that I sleep well, at least for 8 to 10 hours, so that it gives proper rest to my voice. Because if your voice is not rested, you won't be able to sing well. If I listen to my own singing, I mostly listen to the devotional stuff, especially before sleeping. And I keep listening to my songs and think, okay, I could have done this variation also. Next time when I sing it on stage, I can take this line in this certain way. So I do listen to my songs as a critique also. Well, I won't say that I copied somebody's style, but I definitely got inspired by a lot of singers like Reshma ji. When I was little, I loved her voice and her songs like Lambi Judai, Hayo Rabba. So I used to imitate her style of singing, the way she used to put feelings to the song. And when I did that, automatically your voice started sounding like her. So I'm inspired by Reshma ji. It's very important to hydrate your body and your voice, because if you have a dry throat, you are not able to sing well. Apart from water, even honey really helps a lot. So it coats your voice, your throat nicely, and then you sing in a very sweet voice. Actually, I always ask for the lyrics first, and if the lyrics are weird, I come back home. So I don't sing those songs. I politely say no. So I'm very, very much particular about what I'm singing and what my audience is going to listen to. But the quirkiest, I would say, the quirkiest song that I've sung is Twist Kamariya. I think it does match my singing voice, because I have a very low voice. It's a very low alto voice, and my music teachers have taught me that you should always sing in your speaking voice. If you try to be loud or you try to be extra soft, it doesn't come across well. So I think it matches my singing voice. Ever preferred using a nasal voice? Again, it depends on what kind of a song. I think if it's a funny song or it's a song full of acting, then I think it's okay to use your nasal voice for the drama. But the turnout is low. Luckily, nothing. It hasn't happened ever, but. It doesn't matter then. Whatever people you have in front of you, they're music lovers, and my job as a singer is to entertain them. So the energy is full on. It's 100%, like it would be in a fully packed show. Yes, it has happened. That if I didn't like the words, especially because composition is something that the music director has created, and I cannot say no, the tune is not good for me. But it's mostly the lyrics. If I feel not comfortable singing those lyrics, I have politely said no, but not much. Not actually. Money has never been the criteria. If I really love the song, then money doesn't matter. For warming up, I always use my vocal exercising techniques, and those are mostly like Sa Re Ga Ma or a Do Re Mi, and there are certain lip rolls and tongue rolls in Western vocal exercises, so I do that. See, if you sing a song on just a click and a chord, you can sing the composition normally. But if you listen to the other instruments, like if there is a dhol playing on it, it's a song that people will dance on, or if there's a piano playing on it, you get that extra feel. So if there's more music, you enjoy singing even more. You know the exact feel of the final song.